V-Band Performance V-Band Flange assemblies are the premier choice for industry professionals by offering an excellent quick-release alternative to traditional flanges and simple slip-fit tube connections. Our V-Band flange assemblies come equipped with our signature interlocking male and female design that comes available in 304 stainless steel, 6061 aluminum, and CP2 grade titanium. For exhaust applications, the male-female design of our stainless steel V-Band flanges naturally provide a superior gasket-free seal when compared to traditional tube connection solutions of the past. While our aluminum V-Band flanges come equipped with an FKM rubber O-ring that ensures an appropriate seal is applied when used on all turbocharged pipe applications. Whether you are using any of the 3 available V-Band flange materials, each V-Band flange features a convenient tube recess for ease of alignment, guaranteeing flush positioning of the pipe, which will ensure optimal turbulent air-free flow. In addition to interlocking male and female flanges, our V-Band flanges are bound together with our innovative quick-release V-Band clamp made entirely from 300 series stainless steel. V-Band Performance offers the V-Band flange assembly in a variety of sizes that ensures the needs are met for all fabricators ranging from sport car, diesel truck, domestic car, off-road, power sports, marine, and motorcycle. V-Band Performance stainless V-Band flanges are available from 1.5-inch up to 5-inch tubing and are machined from 304 stainless steel. Titanium V-Band flanges are machined from CP2 grade titanium for all sizes ranging from 2-inch to 5-inch titanium tubing. Aluminum flanges are machined from 6061 aluminum, and assemblies come complete with an FKM rubber O-ring. If you're curious to what other products we have in our fabrication program, please be sure to find us at vibrantperformance.com. Check our other YouTube videos or follow us on any social platform.